Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member, and her name I believe is pronounced Nahimi, which is beautiful. She says, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Nahimi. I am planning my wedding soon, and I truly hope you'd be able and honor us by helping us plan the decor for our special day. My fiance and I have been together for almost 6 years, and so we are excited to start our life together, but didn't realize the financial hardship that comes with planning a wedding. Yeah. We are paying for our big day out of our pocket, and since I love crafting and can't afford an event decorator, I've decided to DIY my centerpieces. Can you please help me create this beautiful tropical look for my special day on a budget?" Well, Nahimi, that is exactly what we're doing because 90% of these supplies came from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started with this week's episode, Tropical Wedding Centerpiece. Let's go, guys. So our first step is to attach our styrofoam disc to our glass bowl. And we're just going to do this with a dab of hot glue. Place our styrofoam right smack dab in the middle and give it a second to set up. Then you're going to do about 3 cups of these pebble rocks, and you're going to just surround it, spread it out, surround it until you've filled in all the crevices and you cannot see the styrofoam from the sides, and you're going to continue to cover the very top. Now you have options. You could use sand, which can also be purchased from the Dollar Tree, but in this case I'm using the pebbles. It also makes sure that everything stays nice and tight and in place. To help you with inserting your stems into the styrofoam, just use an everyday standard toothpick. You're going to go ahead and poke it in, move it around in a circular motion, and then add your stems. It just makes it a lot easier. I love these green orchids. This is actually one single stem that I cut into 3 pieces using wire cutters. It's really that simple. In the supplies options, you have orchids that do not come with the stem. So I'm going to show you how to create a stem just using floral wire. This floral wire is 18 gauge. You're going to just wrap it between one of your openings, twist it, making a hook, and then wrap the longer part of your floral wire around it. And once that's done, you can cut the excess floral wire for whatever length you would want to make your stem however short or however tall you would like. Well, Nahimi, how did we do? It is absolutely a burst of color and I love it. It's going to add that special touch to your tropical wedding and beyond. I love the colors. I love the free flowingness of it. I just love it all. Oh, and by the way, I also put a link to these palm leaves that it is sitting on in the description right below the video, like we always do. Well guys, if you like this, by all means like the video, subscribe so you'll know when our videos are posted, and if you have any comments or questions, please put them in our comment section. I answer them myself. It does take me a minute, but I will get to them, I promise you. And guess what? If I don't, our wonderful DIY community members will help out. That's what we're here for. We're all here to help and lift up each other. If you want to hang out some more, by all means, please do. You can follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. It is so simple. Head down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, formerly known as Ebates, sign up for your account. When you are ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Once again, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast, but before we go, I want to remind you that if you need more DIY tips, written instructions, picture instructions, as well as cost-saving tips, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. You can do that by clicking right there in the corner on that little eye, and it'll send you right there for more cost-saving tips and DIY projects, as well as a free resource library. I want you to know that everything is going to be even better really soon because we'll be launching our new website. I'm super excited about it, and I want you to stay tuned because we will be offering some freebies as a little launch special. So wait for that. It is coming very, very soon. We want to thank you for joining us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and so we do not take you joining us weekly lightly. Thank you so much for your support and just hanging out with us. Well guys, until next time, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.